In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the clone stamp tool for quick retouching in Photoshop. This is a simple, reliable way to remove distractions, fix small blemishes, or rebuild missing texture by copying pixels from one place to another. Think of it as a precise copy and paste brush that you control with your cursor. First, pick the clone stamp tool. You'll find it in the toolbar, and the shortcut is S on your keyboard. When it's active, your cursor becomes a brush. The clone stamp won't do anything useful until you tell it where to copy from. So the next move is to set a source area. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac and click once on a clean spot that matches the area you plan to fix. Choose a source with similar color, lighting, and texture. For example, if you're repairing skin, sample from nearby skin that has the same tone and grain. If you're fixing a patterned surface, sample along the same line or orientation so the pattern continues naturally. Now paint over the spot you want to fix. As you brush, the tool copies from your chosen source to the destination. Use short controlled strokes so you can evaluate as you go. If you notice the texture starting to repeat or look obvious, stop, hold Alt or Option again, and pick a fresh nearby source. Resampling frequently helps you blend seamlessly and avoid visible patterns. Adjust your brush size to match the job. A larger brush covers broad areas quickly, while a smaller brush lets you work carefully around edges and fine details. You can resize on the fly with the bracket keys to stay in the flow. For subtle fixes, a slightly smaller brush than the target area often gives you cleaner results because it keeps the edges tidy. A few practical tips will make this tool feel natural. Work at a comfortable zoom level so you can see texture clearly, but zoom out occasionally to confirm the fix looks right at full view. Try to follow the natural direction of lines, pores, or grain in your image when you paint. If you're bridging across a boundary, like skin to hair or sky to building, sample and paint within each distinct area rather than dragging across the edge to keep transitions looking real. That's the core workflow. Select the clone stamp tool, set a source with Alt or Option, paint to copy, and change brush size to suit the detail. With a bit of practice and frequent resampling, you'll achieve clean, convincing retouch.